योगिराम सुरत्कुमारार्पणम्. A drop from the Kripa Samudram, the ocean of grace, through an incident, an event that took place in a family. The family, the people of the family have not been devotees of Yogiram Suratkumar for a long time or anything. And still, at the cry from the soul, invoked the presence of His grace, which helped them, guided them, and protected them. We shall see how. A devotee by name Ashwin has been coming to the ashram for the past 3 years. He has become an advocate of the Nama, the glory of Bhagavan's Nama. With great devotion and faith, he chants the name. He lives in an apartment in Pammal, in a block in Pammal, and a professor by name M. Gauthaman and his wife Vanati, who is also a lecturer in a college in Chennai. They had moved into one of the apartments with their son, studying in 10th standard or something in a school. They had moved to the first floor apartment of his block, and Professor M. Gautam had taken class for 2 years to Ashwin. A few months had gone by, and then because of this corona season, somehow Professor Gauthaman developed fever, which raged day after day after day, ceaselessly. He self-quarantined himself in his house, thinking all the time, hoping all the time that it would go away. But then after 8 days of stubborn fever, he had no choice but to rush to a hospital, TB hospital in Thamaram, sanatorium. Got himself admitted. Now his wife Vanati and their son, they also had to be self-quarantined. And the only way Vanati could communicate to her husband was through the phone. Her husband had developed breathing problem also. It was the next day, after Ashwin came to know that Professor had rushed to the TB hospital, was admitted there. He was thinking that those people were suffering, and of course he knew a way out. So immediately he took a photograph and some ashes of Bhagavan Vibhuti from the shrine, and he dropped, Vanati, if people delivered goods, she could not come out, nor could they come inside. So she put up a basket outside her door for the delivery of goods. And he went there, he put a small-sized photo of Bhagavan, and then the Vibhuti also, Vibhuti Prasad. Then he rang up to Vanati to say, you please take that Vibhuti ashes, put it in water, and you people drink it. And then you can also sprinkle that water everywhere in the house. And please keep chanting Yogiram Suratkumar Nama, and everything would change. So immediately she referred, it was new to her. She went through some of those YouTube clips on Bhagwan, came to know many things about him, and with great faith she started to chant his name, she and her son. And what was more, she sent a photograph and also the Nama to her husband in the hospital through the phone. For 2 days, 2 or 3 days, the breathing problem was so much that her husband was unable to communicate with her. So for 2 or 3 days, she did not have any communication, and she began to be afraid. It was at that time that when her husband developed fever, she began to see a black whiff of smoke, something like a whiff of air, a black figure. She spotted it near the wash basin in her house. She would be so frightened and afraid to go anywhere near the wash basin. It would appear and disappear, something like an apparition. She was very frightened, and then she was clinging to the name, and because there was no communication, she decided the Nama had given her strength enough now, and she wanted to know what was happening. She rushed to the hospital, TB hospital, and that's when she came to know that her husband was moved out to another hospital in Chengalpattu. Because there was a dearth of beds and equipments for coronavirus. So he had to be moved to another hospital, and they had, without even telling her, moved him to Chengalpattu hospital. She was very upset about it, but then she could do nothing about it. She rushed in a cab to Chengalpattu hospital. It was about 8 o'clock in the night when she reached there, and then she decided to bring him out to a hospital near. But you see, she was already chanting the name. Her husband also had picked up the name. He was also chanting, he was also remembering Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar. And she says, Vanati says, there at Chengalpattu hospital, she had absolutely no idea where she would admit her husband, in which hospital. All the hospitals were overflowing with corona patients already. No bed available, no hospital was available. She was at a loss to know what to do. Only Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar Nama was being her companion, their companion. And then she says, by the grace of Bhagwan, she got a call from Nandanam Venkateshwara Hospital. She was at a loss to know how they could have spotted her, how they could have known her number, how they could have known about Professor Gautaman and the predicament they were in. It was very strange, but she understood it was the grace of Bhagwan. So immediately she knew there was one bed vacant. So by the grace of the Nama, Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, immediately she brought out her husband. It was about 12 o'clock, midnight. And then the husband was taken in the ambulance, and then she followed him in a cab. She went straight to Venkateshwara Hospital, got him admitted there, and then came back home. Because it was corona, they put him in the ICU there. But then, see, he had understood the grace of Bhagwan, how it worked in times of difficulty. So he held on to the name. The whole night in the ICU, he was crying so much. The minute he chanted Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, his eyes would fill up. He cried so much in that ICU, remembering Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, chanting his name. The next day, that was when Ashwin sent me a message saying, please pray for Professor Gautaman. that he is been rushed to a hospital, he is in the ICU. So here I started, and there Ashwin and Sunanda of Japan and some people, Gayatri Girish, Vidya Vijayan, Banu, Beena Raju, those people, they have formed a Zoom forum for Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar. They meet regularly online. They sing the name Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar. They have some other programs as well. They have a program even for children. Now Sunanda said that we could chant the name for the sake of Professor, because they were inspired by the story of Kalyani Bose. Some time back, I narrated the story, and they had heard it, and they were inspired by the story. This Kalyani Bose with some other women, when one of the Virudhunagar ladies got admitted in the hospital for the delivery. She had jaundice. Though she was very young, the lady who was to give birth to a child was very young. She had jaundice, and she had some other complications as well. The doctors had declared that either the mother would be safe or the child, that only one of them could survive. And that's when Kalyani Bose gathered some other women, some other devotees, women devotees, and they chanted the name Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar for the sake of this lady who was admitted in the hospital for delivery. And of course, one of the ladies saw at the end of their session Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar Bhagwan standing at the doorstep. And then he removed something black, a black ball, from his forehead and threw it away. And that is exactly the time when there in the hospital, the young woman who was to give birth to a child, the doctors found something black coming out of the uterus, and after that, the delivery became safe. This is what that lady reported, that young lady, the mother, reported later that they removed something. She saw something black coming out of her uterus, and after that, the child came out easily, and then both the child and the mother were safe. So they were inspired by the story, and Sunanda, Ashwin is running a dance school in Chennai, and some of those staff, teachers, also joined in the online chanting along with Vanati and her son. While in the hospital, Venkateshwara Hospital, Professor Gautaman was also chanting. So they would have chanted perhaps for 1 hour. And after that, Professor Gautaman began to feel a lot of changes in him, in his body and mind. The breathing became easier, and then he got the result as COVID negative. And soon after that, within 2 or 3 days, he was also discharged from the hospital. Now it gave them a tremendous faith in the name Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar. So as soon as he came back home, he, his wife and son, the 3 of them, every night would sit together and chant the name Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar. Vanati reports that after 3 or 4 days of chanting the name Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar, she had a dream in which the room where she would spot this black figure, a whiff of smoke, black smoke, she saw in every corner of the room a spot of golden light which began to expand and expand and expand, and finally this golden light chased away this black whiff of smoke to the outside. After that, she did not spot it. She used to be very, very frightened by this, the appearance of something unwanted, some bad element in the house. And now this golden light chased it away, far away from the block. And they knew immediately it was the light of the Nama, it was the light of Yogi Ram Surat Kumar that had done that. So they were very happy and they continued to chant the name Yogi Ram Surat Kumar. So you see, it's a lifeline for a drowning man. In any man, anyone in a similar condition could be helped by the name in a very similar way. So this is the glory of the name. Ashwin also says that one of the teachers who chanted with him online, she had a problem also. She had developed what they call spur, the extra growth of the bone in the heel, at the heel, and because of which she was unable to dance. She was doing her masters in Bharatanatyam. And because of this pain, it was very difficult for her. But in spite of that, she gave a program in Yogi Ram Surat Kumar Forum of these people, Sunanda, Ashwin and others. After this dance performance of a particular song, a very popular song by Uttukadu Venkata Subbaya, that is a very popular, very, very popular song on Lord Krishna, a conversation between Mother Yashoda and Krishna. Very nicely enacted, and then the teacher reports, after that performance in the Yogi Ram Surat Kumar Forum, the pain left her once for all. It simply disappeared and she did not get it again. So miracle after miracle happens because of the Nama, the glory of the name. It seems after Professor Gautaman returned home, he also had a dream in which Bhagavan Yogi Ram Surat Kumar appeared, and Gautaman was crying so much before him. And then Bhagavan smiled and asked him, "What do you want?" And Gautaman said, "I want only health. I want health." He did not want this terrible experience of what he went through. So he sought health from Yogi Ram. What a lucky soul, what a fortunate soul, that he could see Yogi Ram Surat Kumar in his dream, offering him a boon. So such things happen even today. We see it happening, strengthening the hope and faith of people in the name, in the grace of Bhagavan. So this is meant for all people who have been admitted in the hospital or in difficult situations. Please chant the name, and the friends around, you can gather together and do some online chanting. Of course, if you send a message here, I'll put it at the feet of Bhagavan and then pray and chant the name for them. All that would help, and the progress would be easier and faster. So this is another Leela of Bhagavan. Bhagavan has told us often, repeatedly, that even if you remember his coconut shell, there would be a flow of blessings. And when we go through the experience of someone, it's as if we relive the experience ourselves, and so it invokes a flow of grace. And so we have to do it. I request the devotees of Bhagavan to read at least one Leela from Sharanagatam, the Ashram magazine, or to listen to one Leela and pass it on to somebody. It's a sadhana, it's a good practice, a good exercise. This is what they do. Yogiji Whenever Tilakavati Rajashekar visited him, Yogiji, with great interest and love, would ask her about the Leelas of Sundareshwara, saying that all the 64 Leelas of Sundareshwara are my Leelas. So he would rejoice in the Leelas of Sundareshwara. How much more would he rejoice in his own Leelas if he narrated to somebody or read it? It can be a very good spiritual exercise, a practice, and the people should remember with gratitude that we have been given this opportunity to chant his name. Now we have a divine companion with us at the mere call, who is ready to rush to our help, rescue, to give us help, guidance and protection. Now to such embodiment of grace, we shall appeal, we shall offer our today's prayer